How to post on Facebook. So if you want to post on Facebook, what you can do in that case is to just head over and then click on this what's on your mind. Now from in there, you can head over and then put anything that you want. And then you can also customize right here the privacy. Like for example, if you want to make it only me, friends, or public. Now you can also add this to a specific album, post it on Instagram as well, add a label, and also add in here some pictures as well as videos that you want to use. So for example, let me head over and then put right here a particular picture, and then you can head over and click on this next, and then click on this share because you can also share this to your pages if you want. Now just click on share, and then as you'll see, this will be uploaded in a few seconds right here. Now you can also do that if you want on your browser. Just click on what's on your mind. Or if you have the desktop site that looks like this, you can head over and then just click on the what's on your mind as well, just around your home button right around here. So that's how you post on Facebook. If we help,